Dusty Limpopo. Me? Are you mad? Guys, it's a filter. I swear it's a filter. Do you really think... Look at all my videos with my blonde hair. My blonde hair doesn't look like this. This is silver. This is literally silver. I have blonde hair, bro. Can you see this? This is not the same. This is silver. Hello? Come on. No, I don't want to remove it because I don't want. This is my phone. So you have to deal with what I have. Bro, my hair is blonde. This is silver. Look at this. This is silver. Y'all just hate. Come on, bro. You're just hating for real. You need to deal with your issues. I swear. Yes, this is silver. You can't see this is silver. It's silver, bro. What is with you guys? My makeup is not dust. I look good. I look good. Not even one person on this live can say, no, Nakwina, you actually really look so good. You look nice. You're eating, girl. Go out. Everybody's just against me, calling me dust from Limpopo. Me, dust from Limpopo. Me? Ashes to ashes. Dust. This is not light blonde. This is silver. As you can see, this is flipping silver. That's why my makeup looks like this. Is because I have a filter on, brah. Cement. You know what, now I'm gonna end up ending this live because I did not come on this live for people to be saying whatever they want to say. My hair looks good, my makeup looks good, and I'm going out like this. How can I read negative comments when that's all the comments that are negative? I don't know, whatever you guys have going on, you need to deal with your issues. Yes, Limpopo. You know what? Let me change the lights. Like, do you really think my hair looks like this in real life? Let's be real. If you're a girl, I'm not even talking about the men because these men probably don't even buy wigs for their girlfriends. Do you get what I'm saying? Look at this hair, bro. Does this look like blonde to you? This is silver. It's literally silver. And I'm talking to the, and it's not synthetic, my love. All my hair is real. Bought cash. CASH, cash. And I'm not talking to the men because I don't even think any man in this life buys wigs for their girlfriends, okay? Not orange, it's a filter. Oh my god. Anyway. You guys are bullies and you need to deal with your issues. Where am I going? Going out with my man. You guys are very rude, by the way. I'm gonna change this filter. Why are you guys bullies, yo? I've never been bullied like this. I know I get bullied every day, but like this. Queen Dust. Yes, I'm going out like this. Period. If you look at my latest video, you will actually see that I don't actually look like this. This is a filter. construction worker. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna end the live because no one here has good energy, and I came on this live with good energy. Do you understand what I'm saying? With good energy, wanting to speak to you guys, and you guys are out here bullying me, calling my hair silver, calling me dust girl from Limpopo. Really? Blend what? My makeup is already blended. Oh. Did I bath? Hello? Do I look like I shot water in my apartment?